What the heck? What is that? No. No way. What have you found? Hey guys, bit of a different video for you today. It is the Clean Up Australia Day weekend, which is an awesome initiative to become involved in. But instead of us just going out and just picking up some rubbish along the road, we thought we'd do something different. We're going down to our local river and we're going to go magnet fishing to see what we can find under the surface. Should be a bit of fun. Let's go check it out. Okay, we've made it down to the river, gloves are on. Rick is battling with a massive tangled up rope. Mine's currently still in the bucket. Let's get ready for the first cast. First find of the day, 2 metal rods. 1, 2, there is stuff in this river to be found. It's a promising sign. Rick's first cast into the river and he's already snagged something that's quite heavy. Is it moving?
Yeah, just gotta do the jingle on it to latch on.
Do you reckon it needs 2 magnets to get it up?
Possibly.
Let's check it out. Oh, is that the old, like, is that a frame off a bench? What is that?
Seat base.
Whoa, that's crazy. Sick find. Rick's always getting the good finds. Look at this, it's like an old seat, like, frame. Oh man, I found metal rods. Rick finds the edge of a seat. Are you joking? Do you have something else now?
Something else.
What the heck? Man, he's got the hot spot. Let's see what he gets now. Oh my, what the heck? What is that? No, no way. What have you found? What the heck? That is a massive metal frame.
It's the old hand railing.
Oh, it's old hand railing off the thing. Yeah, duh. That's so funny. Got something. Potential murder weapon? I think so. First bottle top. Bolt. big metal pin here. There's the nut from the bolt that we picked up before, I think. There's a lot of scrap metal down here just off this dock. It's crazy. Old roadworks like frame for a street sign. Just pulled that out of the river. Man, there's so much junk in here.
We're on. Ooh. Push bike.
Two more metal pins found in the river. Check out what Rick just salvaged. This old, like, I'm talking old tricycle. That has been there. Look how much fishing line is on that thing.
No, give me 3 months.
That
I'll
is
have this thing up and
crazy.
running again.
That is insane, man. Just think, there's so much fishing line on that. That has been there for like a long time, and that has been snagging a lot of people for a lot of years, I'd imagine. Crazy what we're finding in this river today. Okay guys, after about an hour here of magnet fishing in the Wilson River, we're gonna call it quits, but we found a lot of junk out of the river, which is really awesome. It ties in well with Clean Up Australia Day. Look how much scrap metal we managed to get out. We've pulled out heaps of these pins, a whole big kind of crossbar section from a handrail, some old road signage, and of course the seat frame. But I think the find of the day has to go to Rick. He found that old vintage tricycle. Such a cool find, had a lot of fun out here. If you liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. If you'd also like to see where we get these magnets from, you can go check out a link in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.